Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. We have a stormy weather going on here, but right now I got some break from this rain and the storm. So I started doing some body work here, some denting work here. I think I mentioned about this fender in one of my videos not too long ago, that I'm preparing it to change my left front fender because of that crunch that I have on the other one right in this area. So this area was pretty bad, and I took my time to get the dents out, starting from the inside and then a little bit from the outside, and then I used this rock here, this part of it and this part of it, from the back, and to get the dents out. So I got a lot of them out, as you can see, and but then there are some low spots, which are darker right here, right in this area and around here, and so they are kind of all over the place in this area at the moment. So what I'm gonna do, what I did is I sanded all this area with grit 880 paper, and it's nice, quite smooth now, and it's quite a bit in shape. So I'm going to use body filler. I'm going to put some body filler here and smooth everything out, and so this way it's nice and straight and even. Especially the body filler will actually fill all these low spots here, and instead of me hammering it all the time and trying to get all these out, I think I'll go with the body filler route and get this part done. For the back, this area is pretty nice. Like the dent came out pretty good. There's a little bit of a spot right there and a little bit here, so I'll do a little some denting in this area. This here is gonna get welded, this spot, because these two parts I believe are supposed to be together, and you can see how this one is out. So I'll hammer it in and then get these two together and get it welded with my guy. And also I'll ask him to make this back part of the bracket, so this way I can mount this on the car. Next step will be to take all this paint off, and I'll bring a paint remover and get all this paint off and all this corrosion and everything out. This is just a surface rust, by the way. It's not a big deal. And once all that's done, then I'll prep it from the inside, because I need to get some of this pitting out. I'll show it to you guys. Like there is some pitting right in this area right here, as you can see. I'm just trying. So I'm gonna grind that off and try to take that off as much as I can. And so once that's done, then I'm gonna put anti rust coating on the back of this bumper here. There's a lot of pitting right here, so to preserve it and save it from the corrosion, future corrosion, because the bumper is in a good shape. It just needs some work, so that's what I'm doing at the moment, and so I can use this. So this is what I've been doing today. And the other thing is I got the sound deadening material that I asked a friend of mine to get it for me, so I got that. And I might put some sound deadening material in this area right around here, after I'm done this area, because to make it vibration free, because sometimes this area might tend to do some create vibration. So this way there won't be any vibration, and the material will come out right up about into halfway here. And then I'll put some in this area also. So yeah, so progress is being made. And here's my Snoopy. She wants to come out and inspect, but due to the weather she is staying in mostly today. So yeah, so this is where I am, guys. And tomorrow I'm going to work on the car, and the guy who's supposed to send me the brackets just messaged me that he's going to be shipping them out today. So that's going to be great. I'll get the brackets probably by next week. If I don't think I'll get it by tomorrow. I'll get them next week, and so then I'll do finish off installing the door panels on the doors. So yeah, all right, guys, take care until my next video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.